Welcome to the CapsimCore Business Simulation Getting Started video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through each of the steps that everyone needs to go through in order to become familiar with the CapsimCore Business Simulation. Firstly, let's get started by launching a web browser of your choice, going to www.capsim.com. On Capsim homepage, click the login icon on the top right. Here, you'll need to enter your username and password associated with your course. On the course page, click on the CapsimCore icon. And now you'll find yourself on the participant dashboard. On your first login, you will be greeted with a series of text prompts. Follow those text prompts and they will walk you through the training process. Seeing I have logged on before, I will need to click on the training icon on the left in order to take me through the process. For the training, you'll notice there's a beginner, an intermediate, and an advanced section. You will need to complete all three sections in order to become familiar with the business simulation. Once you have completed all three sections, return to the dashboard. Your training progress should say 100%. As you know, this is a challenge. And, seeing it's a challenge, there'll need to be a scoring process. The scoring process we use in CapsimCore is a simplistic one, where each company is ranked on their sales, profits, stock price, contribution margin, and if they need an emergency loan to fund their operation. How the star system works is if a company's sales improve round after round, or financial year after financial year, they will earn a star for that round. At the end of the challenge, the company with the most stars will be the winner. If we find companies are equal in the amount of stars they have achieved throughout the years, we will then rank their sales, and the company with the highest sales will be the winner. Now that we've sorted the scoring out, let's go show you how to make decisions. Start by clicking on the Simulation tab in the left. You'll be greeted with a series of text prompts. Follow them if they have any useful information. The CapsimCore decisions portion is where we'll make decisions for the business simulation ahead. If on the top you click on the decisions icon, you will see the different departments in which you'll need to make decisions, from R&D, marketing, production, and finance. In order to make decisions, you'll need to be sure that you're familiar with the reports. Start by clicking on the Reports tab on the top, click on Reports, and your full page will open. Make sure you're familiar with the reports. The reports have all the information you require about your company and your competitors. This is the information you'll need to draw on in order to make decisions for going forth. As each financial year or round passes, there will be a new report. Make sure that you're using the most current report when making decisions for that financial year. Seeing we're in the first round, it will say round 0 and the current year 2017. You'll be able to flip between tabs going back and forth between the reports as we make decisions. You'll need to make decisions in R&D, marketing, production, and finance. Once you have made those decisions, a nice double check is using the performers. The performers is a nice check to show you how your company would perform in an ideal situation. Ideally meaning that you sold all the products that you plan to sell. If your forecast was inaccurate, you wouldn't make as many sales or your profits wouldn't be as high as you had hoped. It's a nice way to see if you can fund your big idea when inventing new products. Once you are happy with your decisions, you have checked your performance, you need to save your work by going File, Save. The last person in the team to save decisions will have the latest decisions, and that's what the simulation will pull when it comes time to run the rounds. Once you have finished your decisions, click the exit button and you'll be taken back to the home page. Your instructor will give you deadlines in when decisions need to be made before. Make sure you make those deadlines, as those deadlines cannot be extended and are very strict. If you run into any trouble during the simulation, click on the Help and Support tab. You may find useful information in some of the topics. If nothing here answers your question, send support a ticket. Be as clear as concise as possible when sending them a ticket. If you don't wish to send a ticket, you are more than welcome to email them at support@capsim.com. Once again, be clear and concise. Back to the dashboard. We have now run through each of the items that you need to know in order to become familiar with the simulation. Best of luck.